Hello, and thank you for joining us here at the LV ReLoved channel, where we discuss all things Louis Vuitton. I just unboxed the cutest little SLG from the 2019 Giant collection. This is called the Cube Coin Purse.
What can fit inside? How you can use this as a great accessory to your Louis Vuitton collection.
Already sold out, and I am very lucky and fortunate to have a sweet friend that helped me locate one. Pink, lilac, a lime green, black and white, and the inside is a sunny yellow microfiber. Here is my little textile card. I'm going to give you an idea of what fits inside. You have the heat stamp. Heat stamp is in white with gold letters. Date code also white with gold letters. It unzips halfway on each side. The chain and hook can be tucked inside or pulled out and still zipped close. It measures 2 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches, and then the side where the black and white is 2 1/4. Isn't that cute? I can just imagine using it as a bag charm, putting it on your D-ring inside your Speedy, or even hooking it onto your belt loop. I already have some ideas of how to use this and what will fit. We're going to test it out here right now, but I'm going to call it a chicutie. Chic and cute put together. It's a chicutie. So unzip her and let's see what will fit. Okay, will this fit? Might be a little tight. Well, it does fit actually, and then I can put it on its side. So if I put it in, ooh, it might stretch it out. We might have to be careful with this. So that bottle is too big. But I cringed thinking something might happen to one of these. Okay. 2, but it distorts it. So 2 is not good. Here is another idea. We can use our cable accessories to store in here. I've got a brick and a cable. I got my headphones. I could fit this in. And here is the charger for my earbuds or my headphones. So that all fits. I don't think I want to add that to it, but that would be great. All right, let's see if my lotion will fit. No, not going to fit at all. Compact mirror. Can you see yourself? How do you look? That can go in there. Oh yeah. Let's see what will fit from my cosmetic pouch. I have a brush and some foundation. Will it fit? Fits easily. Can also fit some lip balm. And probably can fit in some mascara. Let's try a pill case, lipstick, more lip balm, and I think that would be a tight squeeze. You might be able to get it in at an angle, but nah, so not this. We could put some jewelry and hair ties in there. So you know what this is, to hold your straps in place if you're wearing a tank top. These, I know they're one of those as seen on TV items, but they work and I use them. So we can fit tons of hair ties in here. And maybe our earrings. They might get tangled in there. And I thought I'd try this. Ooh, my inclusion ring. Oh, and I have a couple more. I have another bobby pin and clip. So all that would fit. Will my pens fit? No, no colored pens. And a little treat for when you just need it. And look, they just happen to fit right in with the Chicutie. Some Jolly Ranchers and a Chicutie go well together. I like that idea already. Might be able to fit your punch cards. For the membership cards for your stores, like my nail card, my boy's haircut, my dentist appointment. These are my business cards. If you don't have one, I need to get one to you. Let's see if it'll fit. Not a good fit. So that probably means a credit card won't fit either. You could bend it, but we don't want to do that. Of course they can fit coins. I don't know if you want to stain and get the interior all dirty. It's already got a little dust in it from me putting this other stuff in here. Oh, it's so cute. I love this. I'm going to show you how it looks on my Speedy. I'll be right back.
A whole lot of cuteness in this little square. Any ideas on what could fit inside? Comment below and let me know. Before we move on to the next video, please subscribe to the LV ReLoved channel so that you're the first to know of all my new uploads. All things LV.